This is a 2011 Mini Countryman. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, run-flat tires, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, roof rails, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 11,000 miles. This Mini has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Oxmoor Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is conveniently located at 4520 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. Contact us to find out our financing specials or visit us at oxmoorchrysler.com. We have the largest selection of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles in the area. Call us today at 502-895-4520.